Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to remove the gamma watermark from a PowerPoint presentation. We will walk you through the available options so your slides look clean and professional. Let's get started. If you have an exported file from Gamma, like this sample here, you can see it has a Made with Gamma watermark on it. Now, if you want to remove it, the first thing to know is that you cannot delete this watermark directly. As you can see, it is not possible to click or select it. So what can we do? The option we recommend is to cover it with a shape. We have a shape ready here. Let's place it over the watermark and then change its color to match the background. For example, white. So the watermark is hidden underneath. You can use any color that matches your slide background. We can also copy this shape and paste it on any other slide where the watermark appears. And just like that, there is no watermark visible on your presentation anymore. That's how we remove the Made with Gamma watermark from your PowerPoint presentation. Simple and effective.